All right, guys, here we are, end of the season, episode 5, part 2. We're cooking ourselves a dal. Let's do it. Booyah! All right, so remember, we're cooking on a budget, so what we've done is taken an amalgamation of all the little bits we've got left over. We've got some potatoes, some parsnip, some carrots, some onions, some tomatoes, bought a lemon, I've got some red lentils, coconut milk, and a curry paste, and some veg stock. Most of this is all stuff we've used already. Now we're just incorporating into our final dish. Getting the pan nice and hot, medium heat, big splash of oil.
Soften your onions, leave a few for the end, and then add your parsnips, potatoes, and your carrots.
This is going to be a really hearty curry. The reason I've small diced it is to get this cooking really quick. The lentils take about 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes. We want the potatoes, the onions, the parsnips, the carrot, all to cook in the same time.
Give it a good season with salt and pepper. Cook off your veg for about 5 minutes.
Once that's all starting to brown off, get your paste in. If you've got it now, you can also add a bit of cumin, turmeric, etc. We're going to fry that off now. That's going to release all the aromas and the flavours out of the paste.
After a few minutes, stir in the packet of lentils, followed by your stock and the coconut milk.
Let that simmer 25 minutes and we will come back. All right, dal is cooked. I've had to top mine up with a little bit of extra water just to keep it going. It's cooked really nicely. What we're going to do, we're going to top it with a little bit of lemon juice now just to finish it off, all right? I'm going to use my hands as a strainer. Push it through. Mix that through. And our dal is finished. Again, yes, it's not a traditional dal. We've done what we can with the money that we had, the budget that we had. I've tried it, it is a pucker anyway.
For the finishing touches, chuck on some of your onions and fresh tomato.
Very hot. It's really nice. Veg is cooked really well, adds a lot of body to it. The fresh salady bits on top, perfect. It's really good. Strong finish, that, strong finish. And that's it, we are done. That is series 2 finished. Now going forward, we've got some more stuff coming out next month. So keep your eye on YouTube, on my Instagram, chef_Ash_Hamilton. Cooking with Ash on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, share, you like. Cheers, see you later.